What's going on, guys? Streams by Q, aka Squid here, with another video for you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, now listen up. So we got a video here for you guys. We got an unfortunate situation. Somebody decided to be that guy. You know what I'm saying? They decided to be that guy and sell 10 ETH worth of heroes. And man, I checked out the transaction. They bought in pretty early and they sold pretty early. And that wasn't a good idea because this coin is going to the dang on moon. Not financial advice. I bought in around here. So definitely I don't have that type. Well, actually I had some crazy high increase when I was up here, but I didn't sell. Like, I'm not one of those guys that's gonna, get on here and shill something out there and tell you guys, hey, go check it out. And I'm in the background selling like a lot of people will be, but I'm not like that. So I'm gonna let you guys know coins that I think are good and that I'm invested in. I'm gonna put them on there. I'm gonna let you guys know, like, hey, these are the tokens I'm holding. I'm holding Heroes, Klee, Mononoke, Saitama, and on the Binance side, I'm holding Leon and Leos, and I'm holding some of the Binance coin. So yeah, that's what I'm holding. I'm holding like a few of those Binance coins. I'm holding some Heroes, some Leon. So I don't necessarily talk about the Binance market too much, because I know a lot of you guys are ERC20. But if you guys would like to hear about the Binance tokens, let me know, and I will definitely talk about them. Leon and Leos, those are definitely a great token to check out here. They have the this going on here. This is what I do. So I'm not connected right now, but I stake all of my Leon and Leos into this little thing here, and basically you get extra money. You get like passive income from it. They also have a lottery feature. You pay $2 per ticket, and the highest that you can win is $1,465, and the lowest for just getting one. Oh wait, no. The match, if you get match 6, you get 2,100. $1,465 is burned, and then $146 is won if you match just one of the lottery ball things. So yeah, that's something that they got going on there. I don't necessarily talk about this coin too much, but I told them on my Twitter. They're a great company, and it's mega early to buy in on that one as well. They got a lot of stuff going on, so make sure you guys check that out. But for the most part, we're talking about Heroes, and I know all you guys might have been seeing, like, hey man, the wallets, everything was up crazy, and Klee, Mononoke, Saitama, Heroes, all of those four were up crazy today. Now I'm telling you guys, bro, if we can get all of the guys to get in and like stop all the fighting and arguing and like threatening each other and all this type of goofy stuff that goes on Twitter, listen, all of us, we just gotta chill and let the ball roll and just collect the money over time, bro. Collect the passive income. Don't go getting upset about a token if you or some people in the token community, and you just decide, oh, I'm gonna sell everything, and then next thing you know, you got a whole bunch of other people selling, and you got a lot of people like arguing on Twitter. I'm not trying to read all that junk. I don't pay attention to that junk. So I don't pay attention to it. You guys shouldn't pay attention to it either. Don't let it affect your financial situations, because a lot of people, they got upset because of something that happened in Saitama, and they decided to sell. And me, I didn't sell, but listen, they sold. And then I see these same people that sell. They're like, "Oh crap, the coin's up now. Like, why didn't anybody else sell so I could buy back? I don't have as many coins as before." Like, bro, don't sell. If you don't sell, you won't have no problems. But listen, don't listen to Twitter, bro. I mean, unless it's my page. If it's my page, listen to it, because I'm gonna talk the facts and the truth to y'all, man. So make sure y'all follow me on Twitter. I've got $900 worth of giveaways active. So we got one 250, a 300, and another 250. That's $900 worth of giveaways active. Any within the next few days. Not to mention, I'm planning on doing something for Thanksgiving. So probably another, like, I don't know, I might do like a 200 or something like that, like a regular, just like a follow and say Thanksgiving giveaway or whatever. I might do something like that. I'm thinking about it. So Heroes, they're releasing a few. It's like a teaser. They're releasing a few more of their NFT things here. Let me know you guys' thoughts on NFTs, because I haven't really gotten into them. Now I spoke with the Heroes guy on my stream, and I was like, "Hey man, look, what you think about making me give me an NFT made for Heroes?" And he said he'll check it out. So we'll see how that goes. If there is a NFT made after me, that would be kind of crazy. I would definitely probably put that as my profile picture. I'm not trolling, but yeah, you guys want you guys give Heroes a follow. Check out the website. They doxed recently with all the FUD and everything going on with other tokens. Heroes didn't have anything bad towards them, but you know, they decided to come out and dox anyways. I talked about that in the last video. You guys check out the website www.hero-inu.com, and you can also scroll down here on the website. You can join the Telegram. I'm not too sure if the Facebook, I think they probably have a Facebook page. They have an Instagram page as well. That's actually pretty good. You don't usually see crypto people that tag an Instagram or have an Instagram page, but they definitely have a Twitter. Click on the Twitter link here. So yeah, you can check out the Twitter, give them a follow. Following 29 people now. Oh, they're kind of, you know what I'm saying, they're kind of increasing out there, you know what I'm saying, doing some moves. You never know, you might have checked that and see they'd have followed an exchange or something. Next thing you know, boom, up 200%. But listen, hope you guys enjoyed the nice video. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you watched it this far, the first person that has watched the video this far, and you message me on Twitter or Telegram and say, hey, I watched your video, just comment and just message me the numbers 457. Message me number 457, not including Saint, because Saint is listening right now, but 457.
I literally just messaged you.
Okay, 457. All right, that's what I'm gonna tell you guys. 457. Message me 457. It's just, I'm just coming to a random number. No, actually message me the numbers 97. All right. See, the people that messaged me 457, I know they didn't watch it this far. So rest of the numbers 97.
Ooh, true.
Oh. And I might hit you with some BNB or some Cash App or PayPal. So I'm definitely like the first person, or maybe the first two people. Let's do the first two people that message me. We'll get some BNB or PayPal to Cash App. Preferably Cash App or BNB, because I don't necessarily like PayPal. Like when I use PayPal, like it's my whatever. Let's go. So I'll see you guys later. Make sure you guys message me on Twitter or Telegram. The number's 97. All right. Y'all take care. Thanks for watching the video, and good night.